Hello, boys and girls. Today we're doing lesson 9.4, using addition and subtraction to solve word problems that require length. So as we read, we're going to have to always think, do we have to add or do we have to subtract? Okay, and once we figure that out, it's easy peasy. You know it, lemon squeezy. All right, so let's look at number 1. Ellie has a ribbon that is 12 centimeters long. So you know what? I'm going to draw Ellie's ribbon. So I'm going to click right here on a line. We're going to make that line her ribbon, okay? So I'm going to start at 0, and I'm going to draw the line all the way to 12, okay? I'm actually going to make that line a little bit darker so you can see it better, okay? So that's Ellie's. Then Gwen has a ribbon. It says Gwen has a ribbon that is 9 centimeters long. So Gwen also has a ribbon, and hers is 9 centimeters. So let's get her ribbon. Okay. Sometimes this is very temperamental. And there we go. All right. So Gwen's is 9. So again, I start at 0. Go straight out to 9. Okay. Again, I'm going to make that line a little thicker for you to see. All right. So now the question says, how many centimeters of ribbon do they have? So that means they, we learned pronouns, so that means Ellie and Gwen. So how many do they have? So that means we have to put it together and join them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually pick up Ellie's ribbon, and I'm going to move it over and attach it to, this is Gwen's ribbon. I'm going to attach it to Ellie's ribbon. All right. So now, if you look at it, I attached them. How long is the ribbon that they have when they put it together? And your answer is right here. Look where it stops. 21. So now we have to write a number sentence for that. Okay? So I'm going to put a little text box over here so I can write a number sentence. All right. So it was adding. What were our two add-ins? Well, we started with 12. And we added, so we have to put the plus sign. Whoopsies. What is this doing? Plus, and then we added Gwen's 9 centimeters, and then that equaled, as you can see right here, 21. So over here, they have 21 centimeters of ribbon when they put it together. All right, let's take a look at another problem. A string is 24 centimeters long. So I need my string that's 24 centimeters long. Okay, so I'm going to start at 0. And I'm going to draw my string all the way to the 24 line spot. Won't stop. Make it a little darker. Okay. And it says Justin cuts off 8 centimeters. So if he's cutting it off, that means I'm taking away. So how long is the string now? So that means I have to cut off 8 centimeters. Okay, so let's do that. I'm actually going to use the drawing tool. Whoopsies. All right, to get rid of 8, remember, we do not count the line that we start on. So they're jumps. 1. Okay, we count the bumps there. Take another jump. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last jump, 8. And to double check, I'm going to count my little mountain tops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 8. So that means I'm going to cross all that out, and that's what he cut off. So how much does he have left? Well, let's see where we landed. 16. So he has 16 inches of string now. So we did take away. So that means we subtracted, right? So now let's do our number sentence. So what did we start with? We started with 24, right? And what did we take away? We cut off, so we took away 8 centimeters. And what did that equal when we took it off? It equaled 16. Now the string is 16 centimeters. Okay? All right, let's take a look at the next one. Here's what I have here. A chain of paper clips is 18 centimeters long. So what does that mean? I have to draw a line that's 18 centimeters. So go to our tools, grab a line, start at 0, go all the way to 18, and stop. Darken that little line up so we can see it. All right. So that's my chain of paper clips. That's 18 centimeters long. See? Sandra adds, oh, they even give you the word. Sandra adds 6 centimeters of paper clips to the chain. So she adds 6 more. So let me make another chain that is 6. I'm going to do this and so I can count. Start at 0. I'm going to go to 6. Picking it up. And there's my 6 centimeter paperclip chain. It said she added it to this. So that means I have to take this and I have to move it over and attach it to my other chain to put them together. It's a joining story because you had 18 and then you joined another 6 with it. So how many do we have now? How long is the chain? Right here, 24. So that was an addition sentence. So let's take a look. We started with 18 and we added another 6, and that equaled a total of 24. So that means that the chain is now 24 centimeters long. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Now this is a math on the spot, so it's going to take a little more thinking. Let's see. So a ribbon was 22 centimeters long. So let's get that ribbon. Let's make 22 centimeters. Start at 0. Go all the way to 22. Okay? It says, then Martha cut a piece off to give to Teo. Oh, she cut off a piece. Wonder what that means. Now the ribbon is 5 centimeters long. So after she was cutting, the ribbon was, when she was done, it was left with 5 centimeters long. I want to take a look at this as a bar model. Okay? I'm just going to draw a quick bar model over here. All right? So if I do a bar model, I'm going to go straight down over here. Darken that up. And actually, I'm going to put a border on my text box. Oops, not fill. Oopsies, sorry guys. This one. All right. And then down here goes my hole. All right. Let's do this as a bar model real quick. Didn't stay. Sorry guys. Okay. A ribbon was 22 centimeters long. So when she started, the whole ribbon was 22. That's what I have here. Then she cut off a piece. So that's one part, the piece that she cut off. And then now the ribbon is 5 centimeters long. So that's the part that she had left. So down here we put the whole. Well, the whole ribbon was 22, right? We do not know the part of the ribbon that she cut off, but we do know the part that was left, which is 5. And I'm going to put a question mark over here because we don't know that part. So this is the whole, and this is the part that she cut off that we don't know how much, and this is the part that was left, the 5 centimeters. You look here, we have a missing part. So we are going to subtract whole minus the part that we know equals the other part. So that means I'm going to start at 22, and I'm going to take away the 5 that we have. So I'm going to go back 5 jumps. Start at the line at 22 where we started and take your first jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so this is what she actually has. This is the 5 that's left. That's what she gave to her friend Teo. So what does that mean? How much did she cut off? Well, what's the other part? Right there. It's 17. So she gave 17 to Teo. And you know what? I read that wrong. I'm sorry. This is what she had left after she cut off. This is the part she gave to Teo. This is the part she gave to Teo. Okay? And if you had to write a subtraction sentence for that, it would have been what your whole was, 22 minus the 5 that she has in her hand equals the other part that she gave to Teo, 17. So your answer was 17. Okay? Now you're going to go do it on your own on your Reteach page and your personal math trainer.